Hello friends, welcome back to the video series on Matplotlib. And in the previous video, we have seen how to set properties to manipulate different things of the figure. Now let's move forward to this video. In this part of the video series, we will understand how to show image and manipulate images of a subplot in a figure. So let's get started. Again, I'll import the required libraries. You can see I have used matplotlib.image as MP image to read images from a file. If you don't want to use it, you can use Pillow as well, but I'll use matplotlib default image library. So it goes along with matplotlib very well. So let me import this. Now I'll read the image. So I have this sample image. The reference of this image is in the readme file. Now we can use imshow to show the image, and again this plt.show to suppress the outputs. You can see how easily we can show an image with imshow. Now let's just plot a simple single channel of the image with the color map as well, and I'll use color bar to show the color palette as well. You can see we have just shown the single channel of the image, and we have used hot as color map, and we have shown the color bar as well. Now let's do one more thing. Let's show a subplot of two different figures and use another different method. So in the previous videos as well, I have shared that there are multiple ways to show subplots in a figure. This is one of them. Now what I do here is I'll create a figure, and then I'll use figure.addSubplot to add a subplot, and I'll get that into axis just to set some properties. Let's say for example X title, and you can set the color bar using PLT as well. So let me show this. So I'll just use 1 by 2, that means 1 row and 2 column, and this is the first figure and this is second figure. So let me run this. So you can see we have color palette as well for both the figure. If I don't use this, it will not show the color palette for the first figure. And in case you want to show the vertical palette, the default argument is vertical, so you can see we have vertical palette as well. I'll just change it to horizontal because it looks more natural. Yeah. Now let's just understand how to show multiple subplots in a figure or multiple images in a figure as well. So what I have done is I have used plt.figure to create a figure. Now I have two variables, subplot and number of images. Subplot is 230, that means 2 row 3 column, and it starts with 0. I will go from 231 to 236. Now number of images is 6, so it comes from the multiplication of the first 2 digits of subplot. So I'll loop over for number of images. I'll create a subplot, then I will show the image, and then I will set the title. Once the for loop is completed, I'll set a super title and I'll show the figure as well. So let me run this. So you can see we have a super title, then we have title for each image and 6 images. So in this way you can show multiple images in single figure. So I think this is it for this part of the video series on Matplotlib. See you in the next section of the video series. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.